Welcome back, Cody's Auto Diagnostics. Playing with the Diagun 4. Wanted to show you guys some of the things that I think is pretty damn cool about this thing. Again, I still haven't done a full comparison video, but I'm playing around with a 2010 Ford Explorer. The one thing that I like a lot about the Ford IDS, the factory scan tool, is the fact for the misfires. It does, for the power balance test, it does a histograph that shows you specifically which cylinder is misfiring. I've had issues with the snap-on. Will show a cylinder. It'll actually show the wrong cylinder. If it's a companion cylinder or the next cylinder in the firing order. Like I said, it hasn't been 100% good. Well, we all know that, I'm sure. But one thing that I like about this thing, check this thing out. So, I'm not sure if you guys have ever used a Ford IDS, but this right here looks identical to using the Ford IDS as far as for the misfire protection, or not protection, misfire history. This is how Ford does it. They don't give you data PIDs for misfires, but they give you this histograph, and anything that spikes down here is a misfire. This is me revving it. It's going to be all over the place. This vehicle is not misfiring, so it is, we'll start it over. So it's not going to show a misfire, but up here, it should say, let's see here. It doesn't tell you what cylinder though? Okay, yeah, no, cylinder 1, cylinder 4, cylinder 2, cylinder 5, cylinder 3, and cylinder 6. So that is the firing order right there that it's got on the top. So it's the same as the Ford IDS, designed a little bit different, but this histograph, man, this looks just like it, and I will show you that here in a second. So, like I said, when it comes to misfires, you don't have to go into mode 6 data with the Ford IDS. One of the main advantages of having it, you can see a misfire by usually power braking it, and like I said, it'll spike down here for misfires. So I have the Ford IDS also hooked up, or actually I need to get it hooked up. Let's do that. All right. This is the VCM2. One nice thing that I like about it, I had the VCM1. This is wireless. Once it's plugged into the vehicle, you can flash the control modules wirelessly. I can be over on my computer over there wirelessly. I mean, it's pretty freaking awesome when it comes to that. So with the Ford IDS hooked up, you come down to the power balance. And look at that. It's going to load. Look at that. It's me revving it up, power braking it. But if you see right here on the top, it's got the firing order, 142536, and it's got the histograph, which, like I said, for misfires, it's top notch. So the fact that the Diagun does it in the same way that Ford does, yeah, I don't know if they're going to get in trouble for anything like that, but it's pretty freaking awesome. So that's it, guys. Thanks.